Aru movie summary in English. Arumugam alias Aru is raised by the sister of Vishwanathan, a gangster. Aru respects Vishwanathan as his brother and is ready to go miles to keep him as the influential person in Chennai. When Vishwanathan declares war on his rival Kottand Rama Reddy, Aru assists him and Reddy's goons attack him, but Aru overpowers them. Vishwanathan organizes a protest and plots to kill Aru's friends, but Aru leaves the protest midway and proposes to his girlfriend Mahalakshmi, but she declines and gives him 2 months to change and orders him to stay away from her to test his loyalty and love. Aru reluctantly accepts her decision. Meanwhile, Aru's friends are burnt alive during the protest as the kerosene was mixed with gasoline, even though Aru had only requested kerosene. Filled with regret, Aru vows to take exact vengeance. One day, Lingam tells that Vishwanathan's assistant Bhaskar had set fire to the petrol and kerosene. Immediately suspicious, Aru tries to confront Vishwanathan, who claims that Reddy was behind this. However, Vishwanathan and Reddy made a deal to finish off Aru in exchange for Reddy to have free reign over parts of Chennai as well as kidnapping and killing young girls. Aru confronts Reddy and almost kills him until Reddy tells him the truth and also about Vishwanathan's true nature. Betrayed, Aru slices Reddy's neck and vows to destroy Vishwanathan's power. Aru kidnaps Vishwanathan's brother, Jagnathan, and slices his hand, where he challenges Vishwanathan to save his near ones as he will not spare anyone. Raja Velu, a corrupt cop and Vishwanathan's brother-in-law, obtains a shooting order to shoot Aru, where he swears to murder Aru due to a conflict. Aru plans to attack Vishwanathan's second brother, Bhuminathan, who insulted and degraded Aru several times. During a property registration, Aru and his men wears masks and break into the registrar's office, where Aru and his men hacks Bhuminathan and escapes. Raja Velu fires a bullet into Aru's shoulder, but Aru manages to escape. With many hospitals on alert, Maha's friend treats Aru at her house, where Maha realizes Aru's love and accepts his feelings. Aru calls Vishwanathan and torments him regarding Bhuminathan's plight, causing Vishwanathan to kill Bhuminathan by unplugging the machine providing life to Bhuminathan. Vishwanathan kills many of Aru's allies, while Raja Velu arrests Maha and a female officer harasses her in the station for helping Aru, hoping for Aru to surrender in order to save Maha's dignity. An enraged Aru breaks into the police station and takes Maha to safety. Lognathan and Bhaskar follow behind to finish Aru, but Aru sends her safely in a boat to Sri Lanka. Lognathan and Bhaskar fight Aru, but Aru overpowers them and nearly burns them until Lognathan begs Aru to spare them. Aru tells Lognathan to kill Bhaskar and Bhaskar hesitates due to their many years of friendship. Lognathan burns Bhaskar alive, but Bhaskar angrily runs into Lognathan, making him catch on fire and leading to their deaths. Raja Velu pretends to arrest Aru with other officers and thrashes him. Aru, still nearly unconscious, overhears Raja Velu telling Vishwanathan he can come and kill Aru. Realizing that Raja Velu is tricking everyone, Aru wakes up and beats Raja Velu, tying him to a tree and punching him unconscious. Vishwanathan arrives and engages in combat with Aru, but Aru overpowers him and cuts off Vishwanathan's arms. He tells him that Vishwanathan should realize the pain felt by his friends, who were burnt and betrayed. Realizing that Aru is right, Raja Velu surrenders to him. Aru serves his prison term and gets released, where he reunites with Maha and the two leave for Pune to start their new lives.